Good day, Katekbi. Mr.Techimon is here, and for today's video, we are going to show you how to enable or activate the floating YouTube. But before we start, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, ring the notification bell for you to updated and notified from our future uploads. So let's start. And here are the two requirements needed to enable the floating YouTube. The first one is the VPN. The second one is the YouTube application. First, go to the Google Play Store, open, then search for the VPN app. I will recommend the VPN that I am using right now, the Turbo VPN, the orange one. Then click install. Now for the second step, go to the settings, find the application manager, then go to the app list and find the YouTube. Click it and you will see the application info of YouTube. It says here the picture-in-picture is allow this app to create a picture-in-picture window while the other app is open or after you leave it. For example, to continue watching a video, this window display on the top of other app you are using. So don't forget to turn it on, make it color blue. Next one, or the other way to go to the application information is by clicking the YouTube icon. Long press, then click application info and Viola. Then find the picture-in-picture. So you must or you need to enable the picture-in-picture. And now open the Turbo VPN app. And next one is the globe icon or on the upper right side. So next, now click the United States. Tap to connect. But before that, please allow the application to use the VPN. Now wait to finish the connection. Connecting to the United States. Now it's now connected. So skip the ad. So you see it's running. Connected to the United States. And also it will pop up to the notification bar. So VPN is connected. Now open your YouTube application or find a video you want to open. And now here's the trick. Press the home button, then Viola. You'll see your YouTube is floating all over your phone screen. Using browser, using Facebook, to go back to the YouTube, click the floating YouTube on the center and it will be fully open. Once again, click the home button to enable the floating YouTube. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Always keep in our mind that we must always be safe and free from the virus. Goodbye. See you on my next video. Thank you.